5S is an integral part of lean manufacturing since it focuses heavily on the elimination of waste. This video will teach you how to implement Set in Order at your company so you may realize all of the benefits 5S has to offer. In review, the 5S's are Sort, Set in Order, Shine, Standardize, and Sustain in that order. We will now focus on Set in Order for the remainder of this presentation. Set in order means arranging all of the items you have determined are necessary for production so that they are easy to find, easy to use, and easy to put away when finished. Set in order also includes determining the best locations for the machines and equipment in your department. Locations need to be created for each item needed by production and then properly labeled. This reminds us of an old adage, a place for everything and everything in its place. Before you even begin Set in Order, ensure that the sort phase is completely finished. After all, why would you want to spend time creating locations for items you don't even need? You already know a little bit about this phase of 5S because we all practice Set in Order in areas that are important to us. For example, when it's time to eat, do you have to search for silverware, or do you have it perfectly organized and ready right where you need it? For you golf enthusiasts, the golf bag and cart are a perfect example of Set in Order. The clubs all have their own specific location, and there are even special pockets for balls, tees, and every other accessory needed. Fishermen are the same way. When it comes time to finding that special lure or any other piece of fishing equipment, they've got it going on. Is hunting your sport? I'll bet you have a special cabinet at home where you carefully store all of your guns, ammunition, and other accessories where you can easily find them. And, well, you get the picture. If it's important to you, you practice Set in Order. If you can make your workplace as important to you as your favorite sport or hobby and practice Set in Order, you would enjoy your job much more than you do now. 5S is also referred to as a visual workplace. Set in Order is the method we use to create a visual workplace. We want our workplace to be organized so we can know the status of everything at a glance. Our inventory needs to be organized so that we can also know its status in seconds. The clear plexiglass in this example allows us to review all inventory levels at once. In this example, you can see from even a distance away that one tool is missing, and the red shape even shows you what tool is missing. When it comes to implementing Set in Order, it's just like real estate. It's all about location, location, location. Let's talk about how to decide appropriate locations for items. The first thing we need to do is create a spaghetti diagram to determine where the operators have to travel to get the items they need for production. This is easily done by observing and tracking the operators as they go about their normal production. Here's an example of what a completed spaghetti diagram looks like. It does not have to be fancy. Analyze your diagram to improve the layout of needed items by identifying and eliminating any excess motion. You can now see where the spaghetti diagram gets its name. Rearranging the equipment to create product flow is not easy to do and is one of the reasons many companies fail to realize all of the benefits 5S has to offer. First, let's clear the area so we can move the machines. Now, let's move the machines in order from the first operation to the last operation. By locating our equipment in the best locations possible, we can create flow for our work and minimize motion waste.